Welcome to Techno Next Door. That's what we should call our garage, because our neighbors always listen to techno. Techno Next Door. It makes total sense. Matt's mounting tires.
Why isn't my tire inflating?
Figure it out so that we can drive this on the streets tonight. I think he already got transmission fluid in it. We got to do some subframe bushings and mount some tires and get it on the ground and see if it rips.
What are you making?
I'm making tire juice.
Because you forgot the one you actually bought at your house?
Making tire juice. Just polish her up.
If there's a little dirt, it's fine.
Ain't no
You need a new
turd ain't
sponge.
stopped the manual before.
It's protein. The sponge is hilarious. Show us the sponge there. Show us that sponge. Who created this amazing sponge?
I did. I needed a sponge. That's what, you know, I've been looking for this. And I'm like, where is it? And then I come and change tires. I'm like, sweet.
What are you doing?
Oh my god, this is an ab workout and a half. I'm holding the strut brace up. Or
Is that with your face?
It's with my forehead.
Get that bolted.
I am. I'm glad I skipped abs today at the gym.
1 second. I'll give it to you in a second.
Oh, it's nice.
You have really long stuff.
What?
Spacer.
And I've mounted a lot of tires.
$100?
You know?
That looks beautiful. It's perfect.
Oh, I forgot I put these screws on right here.
It's gone.
Broken.
I love this thing. Perfect.
What did you do? I just have that issue on my face where I'm pretty like wants to wedge on that. I'm ready.
Are you sure?
Not really.
Car's ready, Matt's ready. These guys are changing wheels and spark plugs, so it looks like we're not gonna get to go outside.
I'm done.
Uh-oh.
say hi, ready? Hi. Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
I'm a little scared. Matt and a V8. Hold on, let me get a light. No, my phone's about that. You have a phone?
I do, but it's close.
Never mind. Alright, let's go.
Plans?
Yeah.
These tires are good.
I know. That's the light. That's the light.
That'll connect down.
No! Get out of the road! What are you doing? Move! Get out the way! That's good!
How is it? Dude, it's like, it's torquey. Did you see when I I drifted the corner, I was in third, and then I was like, okay, and I threw it into fourth, and I like mashed it thinking like, okay, it would kind of like bog a little, like, and it was like, nope! Just threw it out.
Going.
It would do that corner easily in fourth. So,
It's fast.
it's fast.
And that was on crappy tires.
Yeah, dude, it rolls, on these tires, it was rolling into third. Like, I would just get on it, and it would just...
Dude, it sounds really good too. It's got a nice
Hell
deep
yeah.
tone.
Hell yeah.
The jitters.
No, I was just saying I haven't gone like that hype about like drifting in a while because like normally like on the track I'm like super calm because like I'm like whatever, this is normal, but when it comes to like sliding on the street I get a little more like butterfly, and then like new car, street, like everyone in the car I was like ugh, super fun. I am so hyped on this car. So
Ryan's learning how to mount.
everybody shut up! Now move.
Ryan's learning how to mount his first tire.
No, move it down. Keep pushing. Alright, so stop. See how this came up on the bead? Now that's gonna stick. You gotta get that down. See this? Let's stick it down. Come back.
Bring your left hand down. Your left hand down. Push down.
Down.
There you go.
Put your, and you gotta get
right
that
leg
back
and
under the ball.
wide.
Whatever you gotta do to get it back. But this is why it went wrong, because this beaded and that came up over the ball. Left foot, 2 stumps.
You don't have to.
Now it's time to get funky.
Left hand down.
To the right now. To the left. Take it back now, y'all. 1 hop this time.
Left hand down. Left. There you go. Down. Pressure, bro.
Right foot, 2
Stop, stop,
stumps.
stop. Oh shoot. Ryan got some new shoes. Ryan got some new shoes.
Alright, what does everybody think of the car?
Dope. I think it's slow.
Is it?
It's dope. Run? Dope. Put the RSRs on the back. Ryan, I'm gonna need your wheels.
Just save it for the next video. All right. Now everybody. So now we got a race. I want to get in on this too.
You'll win, obviously.
Why? You have the same motor.
You have no, I do not. You have probably what, another 100 more horsepower and probably 200-300 less pounds.
Hey,
You don't know
beat him
that.
in the BRZ though.
I did beat you in the BRZ, so it's
Exactly.
impossible.
Exactly. So you don't know. We're just both gonna spin.
Anything can
You're gonna hear like 2 V8s like wow, wow, wow.
So that's going to be the end of this video. We're going to keep working on the car and get it ready. He's going to take it to his first drift event January 19th, hopefully, and we're going to check more stuff. We got to change the oil, check the tranny fluid that we just put in, and make sure everything's ready. But anyways, see you guys next time. Thank you for liking, sharing. Please comment, tell me what you thought of the video, what you thought of Matt's car, and see you next time. Goodbye.